Hello guys, welcome back. I am Tayyab and hope you are all well. Today we discuss about the best antivirus softwares in 2021. Protect PC, Macs and more with today's best antivirus softwares. Sometimes it feels heartening to know that antivirus providers are out there fighting up a good fight, constantly updating their internet security software packages to protect against ever increasing threats to your online life. The best antivirus choose combine watertight virus protection, extra features to keep you safe from scams, and are the absolute doodle to install and use. If you are looking for all around protection against the latest cyber threats, then investing in the strongest software is the best solution you can hope for. And we also have the best business antivirus plans if you are looking to take care of your company computers. That does not mean you have to start spending big money either, as our guide also gives you the cheapest available prices for the top of softwares. Number one is a bit defender, the world's best, very best antivirus. You may be more familiar with names such as Norton, McAfee and AVG, but at the moment we think Bitdefender is the best antivirus available. It combines watertight security tools with an array of other excellent security features. It's also really easy to use, and best of all, users offers extremely good value for money.